If you've ever struggled with unwanted redness on the face or skin in Photoshop, there's a simple yet powerful way to fix it and achieve a smooth, natural look. First, open your photo in Photoshop and start by duplicating the original layer using Ctrl+J. This gives you a backup to work on while keeping the original safe. Next, add a hue saturation adjustment layer. To do this, go to New Adjustment Layer, Hue Saturation. In the Properties panel, open the Master drop-down and choose Reds, since most redness issues appear in this color range. Now, lower the saturation slightly, around -20 to -40, to reduce the intensity of the red tones. To balance it out, nudge the hue slider gently to the right +5 to +15, which shifts the red toward more natural skin colors. If the skin looks dull after the adjustment, raise the lightness a little +2 to +8 to brighten it up. For better control, use the hand eyedropper tool in the Hue R Saturation panel. Click directly on the red patch of skin and drag left or right. This way, Photoshop automatically fine-tunes the exact range of reds, so lips don't get affected. Next comes masking. By default, the adjustment layer affects the whole image, but we only want it on the red patches. To fix that, press Ctrl+I to invert the mask to black. Then select a soft white brush with low flow, 10 to 30%, and carefully paint over the areas of redness. This method allows you to target only the problem areas without touching the natural skin tones. If the effect looks too strong, simply lower the layer opacity. And if your lips or other red elements accidentally desaturate, paint black over those parts of the mask to protect them. Once you're happy with the skin tone correction, select both layers and merge them. Now for an even smoother finish, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur just enough to soften the skin texture without losing natural details, then click OK. To refine it further, add a layer mask, invert it with Ctrl+I, and use a soft white brush to paint the blur only on the skin areas that need smoothing. This way, the skin looks natural and even, without affecting sharp details like eyes, hair, or clothing. And that's it. With these steps, you can remove redness from skin in Photoshop and create flawless, natural-looking portraits.